Today's going to be a shorter video. I received some gifts in the mail and I filmed them before I opened them, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. I am so beyond grateful for everyone that has everyone I've met throughout the duration of my channel. I think it's been almost a year now, if not a year. So I'm just very grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for sending me gifts. The gifts are never expected. I'm always amazed when someone sends me something because I'm like, what? You want to send me something? Why? What did I do? So here's some clips of me opening some of your guys' gifts, and thank you again so much. Before we get into it though, if you're new here and you want to join the hive, all you have to do is click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I just wanted to give a really quick shout out to all my patrons, my new patrons, everyone who has signed up. Thank you so much for being a patron. I really appreciate the support you guys have shown me throughout the past few months when I launched my Patreon. And anyways, I'm just going to stop babbling. Let's get into it. Hi, fart faces. Today we're going to open up some mail that some of my subscribers and friends and happy mail, whatever you want to call it, people have sent me. Thank you so much for sending me gifts. I mean, it's like so crazy that you guys send me things. Literally, like, thank you so much. I just, like, I can't say it. I'm so grateful. I appreciate it. You don't have to send me anything. It's unexpected. It's not expected, but I'm very grateful for everyone who asked for my address to send me something. So let's get into this. It's not going to be a long video. It's going to be a short one. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting tools, accessories, unboxings, go ahead and click the subscribe button. You just got to click it gently and join my hive. I post new videos about diamond painting on a regular basis. Let's get going. So Amy from Sensible by Design, she makes putty and wax, and she's based in Ontario, Canada, was like, Beverly, can I have your address, please? And I was like, you have my address. I've ordered from you. But she's like, I want to send you something. She's like, I'm sending you two things. One should get there between these days and another between these days. So this is the first package. I really appreciate all the kind words that you said about my channel, Amy. You're so nice and just thoughtful. And thank you very much. You don't have to send me anything, but I really appreciate it. This comes to us from Amazon. Let's take a look. I have my scissors here. I'm excited. She's like, I hope you like it. And I was like, I'm sure I'm going to like it. So let's take a look. Ooh. Ooh! Is there a note? Bev B, Queen B, I'm excited for your new adventure. Love, Amy, from Amy Booth Hillier. Oh, look, there's bee stickers. That's so nice. These are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Amy. These are so cute. Look at this bee. Seriously. Oh my goodness. These are great. Thank you so much. I love these. Oh, I really like this bee.
Could it be anymore?
Clayton just said, could there be any more? What a loser. Loser, Clayton.
You're the one dating them.
Hey, get out of my video, please. Yeah, I love these. These are really cute. And look, they come in this little package. Really pretty. I like these. Thank you so much, Amy. Those are so cute, seriously. And what do we have here? Oh my goodness, Amy, thank you. These are so adorable and perfect. Look at these guys, they're little bees. We must open them. Tweezers. Is this gonna open it? It's taped. Whoa. Look how adorable these babies are. Thank you so much, Amy. I really appreciate it. I love these presents. Dawn Biederman said she sent me something, and I was like, Dawn, thank you. So let's take a look. She was like, can I have your address? But I can't stalk you because I can't drive right now. And I was like, yes, you may have my address, Dawn. So she wanted to send me something. This is from Dee Dee's Needle Minders. How do I know? Because it says Dee Dee's Needle Minders. Let's take a look. There's a little card in here. I love Bev B, heart eyes, from Dawn Biederman Hall. Thank you so much. That's so sweet, Dawn. Okay, let's see what's inside. minders, cover minders. There's a Starbucks one and a bee one. I love these. Let's open these up. Putting the camera down a little bit. Wow. Here's the back. These are strong magnets. Starbucks. And a little bee. Thank you so much, Dawn. These are adorable. And they have the strong magnets on the back. And here's where they're from. Dee Dee's Needle Minder Collection. And I'll put the link to their Etsy shop. This is actually one of the shops I have favorited on my Etsy. I'll put the link to their Etsy shop in the description below. Thank you so much, Dawn. Seriously. I'm going to use these. I'm going to use them for cross stitch, not diamond painting. Don't tell anyone, guys. Don't tell anyone. But these are perfect for cross stitch. Seriously. Thank you so much, Dawn. Thank you. This package came to me from Amazon. Rhonda's Crafty Corner said she was mailing me something. I did not know it was from Amazon, but it came with our other Amazon order, and I was like, why do we have two things from Amazon when we only ordered one thing? So I already opened it, and I'll show you guys what she got me. So first we have a little card here that says, I got the schmackers from Rhonda. Love you, Bevy, from Rhonda. So thank you so much, Rhonda. And this is what she meant by she got me the schmackers. She got me lip schmackers. She got me lip schmackers. I'm very excited about these. There's oatmeal cookie, vanilla, mango, watermelon, tropical punch, cotton candy, kiwi, strawberry, and Dr. Pepper. Look how cute this is. I think I actually posted this to my stories, and so I'm very excited. I'm so excited to open these and try them. If you guys haven't had lip smackers before, or you haven't tried them in years, I'd highly recommend trying out lip smackers. Thank you so much, Rhonda. I really appreciate this. This is amazing. Seriously, I can't wait. Let's open up one of them, actually. Let's open up this one, because I'm curious to see how this one looks. So here, scissors. Probably the easiest way to open them is with scissors. I love lip smackers. They take me back to my youth. My youth when I was a young girl. With chapped lips. Not even if you don't have chapped lips, seriously, lip smackers are the way to go. Oh, cool. Okay. Oh my god. That does, it smells and tastes kind of like Dr. Pepper. I wouldn't say it tastes like it, but it sure smells like it. Clayton's over there just making noise. Excuse me, sir, trying to film a video. Said sorry for existing. So thank you so much, Rhonda. I really appreciate these gifts. So Melanie said that she sent me a package from Amazon, and I was like, what? What? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Here it is. It just arrived. I'm excited to see what's inside. So let's open this baby up. I'm very excited. Melanie, you did not have to do this, but thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Melanie, what did you do? I got lockables. Melanie, thank you so much. So if you're not familiar with lockables, is there a card or anything? There's a card. A gift from Melanie. That's so cute. If you're not familiar with lockables, it is, you can store your diamond painting drills in here and kit them up. I've wanted lockables for so long, I just never really pulled the trigger on them. Look at them. Wow. So, I believe all you do is you push this in, and then it allows you to open up the little storage areas. And if you don't push it in, you can't actually open it up. So it's they keep your drills very safe in here. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Melanie. That's so nice of you. Seriously, thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Melanie. These are fantastical. I can't wait. I already kitted up my drills and chills, but I will kit up my next diamond painting with these. Wow. Thank you so much, Melanie. Thank you. Thank you so much to everyone who sent me something. Really, I feel hashtag blessed to have you guys in my life. I'm glad that I can call you guys my friends, my subscribers, my peeps. Just thank you so much. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks again, everyone. Bye. This week, we're talking with Clayton. Hi, Clayton.
Hi.
So we're gonna answer your Patreon questions. I think we have like 50 of them, and a lot of them are pervies. Our first question comes to us from my pal Stephanie. She says, "What's your favorite thing that Bev/Clayton does in bed, like sexually?" And like, I think you have to be really trusting with your partner. And like they have to, like the dude has to expect it, like he has to know, like be comfortable with if it gets messy or not.
She followed me, and I always look who follows me. And I thought she looked familiar and that it might have been her, but I wasn't sure. And at that time, I was still in a relationship. So I'm not just going to be like, yo, what's up? How are you doing?
Yeah. He's a bit too large.
Stop body shaming me.
Yes, final answer, yes.